Where are you living in the Philippines? Manila? What's your favorite Filipino food? Our culture is very different.
Yeah.
But I like it.
Do you think the chicken is cooked?
I don't know. You are chef. I am not. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Faruk Acar. Today we will do Filipino food with my Filipino friends, right? Filipino is right?
Yeah, Filipino.
Okay, Filipino friends, and we will cook. What is the name?
Chicken
afritada. Chicken afritada. Afritada. Okay, it's interesting for me because you know I did cook chicken adobo and it's good, and now other Filipino food I think it's much better because it's real Filipino food, because before it's not real Filipino food. I think. Okay, I will show you. First we will cook, later I will try, I will test. Let's go to video. Okay, you can.
No. I forgot the tomatoes. Tomatoes first.
First, vegetable. Okay.
Onion first. And then once the onion is cooked, you put the garlic.
Oh, okay.
And then after the garlic, you put the tomatoes. And then you just wait for the tomatoes to melt on the pan.
Now what are you doing?
I'm just crushing the tomatoes. Make sure it's all melted in on the pan, like a tomato sauce.
Okay.
So
later,
after this, once it's all melted, I'm going to put the chicken.
Okay. Now all food.
Less than an hour.
Okay, maybe 30 minutes.
No, not 30 minutes.
More?
Maybe more.
Maybe more.
Not an hour.
Okay, like Turkish food. Yeah, my mom cooking maybe 1 hour or more.
Because I think she cooks a lot.
Yes.
A huge, big serving.
Big what?
Big serving. Like when she cooks, it's for a lot of people.
Yeah, of course, because I have 3 brothers and she's, yeah.
Some people fry the chicken first before putting it in.
Why?
It's more tasty, they say. And the skin is crunchy.
Okay.
Crunchy.
You will put water?
Later,
okay.
Yeah.
Because chicken is not
cook.
Yeah.
You put water later. And then this is the paste, tomato puree. Not too much.
Okay. Philippine people always chicken, right?
You can use pork here, but Turkey
yes,
doesn't
no
eat
pork. Yeah.
You can also use beef.
You can? I can?
Yeah.
Okay.
But beef is quite hard to.
Yeah, of course. But popular Filipino food is every popular Filipino food is using chicken.
Chicken. Tinola is chicken. Sinigang is you can use beef. Sinigang, but most of the times we use pork.
Pork. Okay. Now we have to wait, right?
You have to wait, yeah.
Okay.
Maybe about 15 minutes.
15. Okay. What's your favorite Filipino food? First, yeah. Best 3 food. Tinola.
Yeah. The
Sinigang.
And not this one.
Okay.
And it's cooked. We can put the vegetables.
Yeah, later vegetables.
This will be the last one.
Last one.
Yeah.
It's interesting. It's interesting because you know you have chicken and sausage.
Protein.
Come on. You can find a lot of protein.
Well, it just adds to the color.
To
the color. It makes the dish appetizing. And also it, yeah.
Okay.
I find it looks better when when you got sausages.
Okay.
With it.
Okay.
It's just optional.
Okay, okay, I get it. It's
You don't have to put sausages.
No, Turkish people most eating in the breakfast.
Okay.
Sausage. No other meal. Dinner, no dinner, no lunch, just breakfast.
This is for breakfast.
Yeah, yeah.
All right. What is a basic Turkish breakfast?
Basic.
Yeah. The common. What's on the table?
Okay. Tea. Okay, first tea. Tea always.
Tea.
Turkish tea.
I love tea here.
Really?
Yeah.
It's good.
With 3 sugars.
3 sugars. Oh, come on. Sugar is not good.
I like sugar.
Okay. Cheese is important. Cheese. You can find a lot of cheese.
Yeah.
Cheese options. And tomato and cucumber. Cucumber and sweet things. It's strawberry jam, like a lot of things. Sometimes we eating melemen. Do you know melemen? Tomato and egg, pepper, other things.
Okay, yeah.
Tomato we cut, later cooking, later last egg.
Alright.
It's very easy and very good.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have not tried Turkish breakfast yet.
Really?
No. I've tried doner.
Doner.
Shish.
Shish kebab. Baklava. Did you like?
I like it, but not too much.
Okay, I get it. Fine.
I tried Iran.
Iran. My favorite drinking Iran.
I don't like it.
Really? Why?
It's kind of salty.
Salty. Okay, but it's good. I think
it's
much better cola.
I tried it. And it's like sour, but also salty.
Yeah. Okay.
It's not bad.
Okay.
But it doesn't suit my taste.
Okay. Okay, I get it. It's very different. Our culture is very different.
Yeah.
But I like it. Where are you living in the Philippines? Manila, right?
Yeah, but my parents came from the northern region. So both of them, my mother and father, came from the northern region. But they met in Manila.
Oh, okay. Later living Manila, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah.
Okay, Tagalog. Yeah, I know Tagalog, you know. Kumusta?
Kamusta.
Kumusta. But just this. Just kumusta. Kumusta. But what can I... Okay.
How will you answer?
I don't know. Kumusta. Just...
Yeah. When you say kamusta, you're asking me.
Asking me?
Yeah, you're asking me a question. Like if you say, you tell me.
Kumusta?
Mabuti.
Mabuti.
Yeah.
It's like how are you?
So yeah, it's like how are you, and then when I say mabuti, I'm good.
Mabuti. Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe you can teach me Filipino.
Yeah.
Okay. How can I say my name is Faruk?
It's long. Ang pangalan.
Ang pangalan.
Pa.
Ang pangalan.
Pa.
Ang pangalan.
Pa. Ang pa.
Ang pa.
Nga.
Ang paga.
Nga.
Ang kapa. What?
Yeah. So one word is ang.
Ang.
Second word, pangalan.
Pangalan. Ang pangalan Faruk.
Yeah.
No.
Ang pangalan ko.
Come on.
Yeah.
Ko.
I Faruk. That's the like the whole sentence. You know sentence?
No.
No. That's the formal way. Formal.
Okay. Yeah. Shortly?
Yeah.
Short.
So ang pangalan, name is pangalan.
Okay.
Ko.
You. Me. Okay.
Yeah. I Faruk.
Na.
Ang pangalan ko.
Ang pangalan ko Faruk. I call Faruk.
Ang pangalan ko ay.
Oh my god.
You have a pen? Paper?
Yeah.
I can write.
Wait. Okay. Ang pangalan ko ay Faruk. Ang pangalan ko ay Faruk. Yeah.
NG plus A is nga.
Na.
China. You take China. China.
Come on.
Nga.
Na.
Nga.
Okay. Whatever.
Nga.
Nah. It's really hard. You can't talk Tagalog.
Okay.
Tell me something.
So, ang niluluto ko ay afritada.
What?
I am cooking afritada.
It's really different.
Yeah. So, I am cooking afritada.
Okay.
Nagluluto ako ng afritada.
Wow, it's really hard language, right?
Nagluluto means cooking.
Nagulung. Naglulug.
Yeah, so you just break it.
Like? Lu.
To.
Naglulutu.
Yeah.
Okay, it's easy.
Yeah.
Naglulutu. Wow, it's really difficult.
So
language.
how do you what's the sound of this? If I see letter C with the tail. Oh.
Yeah, okay.
Because what's this? And this one.
Öğrenmek. Öğlen.
Oh. I'm not doing it right. I'm not doing it right.
No. Yeah. It was.
So what's the difference with with that one and this one?
Yeah, like naga. What?
Nga.
Na. Yeah, it's na. It's like
No. You're saying na.
you sing
Nga.
na. Whatever.
And this one, the U with
You can U. Not U. This. Okay, wait. This is U. This is U. U. No. No. U.
This is U.
This is U. This is U. U. No. U.
It's hard.
Yeah. Okay. Güzel. Yeah. You will learn. Güzel. Yeah.
Nga.
Nah. Okay.
No.
Good language class. Oh, it's ready?
Yeah. Not sure.
Okay, thank you, Tagalog class. But it's very hard.
It's hard. It's still hard. Do you think the chicken is cooked?
I don't know. You're chef. I'm not.
No. I'm not chef. I'm far from being chef. It's tender.
You can try, maybe. No, it's not ready.
Not ready?
Because hard.
This one is ready.
Okay, I told you're chef. I'm not.
No.
No.
The other vegetables.
Okay.
But I'm not going to mix them.
Okay,
Just on top.
Because
Because they're quite easy to get soft. So yeah, then I'll cover.
Okay, and you wait.
And wait.
It's much better. You are really good chef.
No, you have to taste it first.
Okay. Of course, I will test.
More rice. There's a saying in the Philippines, rice is life.
Really? Rice is life.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Just mix that. Does it look good in camera?
Yeah, it's very looking delicious. Look delicious.
Then you can tell the camera if it doesn't taste good.
Oh, no.
That's a honest review.
Don't worry. I think it's good. I can say lie. I'm not liar. Lie. I don't know. I think it's better my chicken adobo than my chicken adobo.
Your chicken adobo is better than this one.
No, really?
No, I don't know.
I will eat, then I will say. Need salt and too much.
Too much salt?
No salt. Salt. I love salt.
Oh, you can just add a bit.
Yeah, I will.
Yeah. Well, that's too much.
No. No, I think no.
That's too much.
No.
You will not taste the tomato.
Tomato?
The tomato. Tomates.
Uh-huh.
More sauce.
Okay, I will put.
So because
Okay.
if you just eat the chicken, it will just be a bit bland.
I ate too much sauce. Now it's much better.
Because the sauce is not bland to me. You know, bland. No salt, no taste.
But you are right.
The sauce is
Much better right now.
yeah.
Different culture.
Right? But the chicken is cooked, right?
Yeah, chicken is good. Potato is good, but vegetable is not good for me. It's
Hard.
no, it's
No?
very different.
I like it crunchy.
No, I don't like this.
Can I get it?
Yeah.
It's okay.
I don't know. Oh, it's very different. Oh. But potato is okay.
So what's the rating? 10. 1 to 10. What's the rating?
7?
Hell. Okay. Not too bad. Not a chef.
Not too bad, of course not too bad. I finish it.
7 is good for not chef.
Yeah, thank you so much for food. Just vegetable is different because we don't eat like this. But chicken, potato, rice is perfect.
So maybe more
Cook?
more cooked,
Much better.
more softer, more soft. You want softer, softer
Yeah,
vegetables.
Yeah. Because my mom cooking like this. Okay guys, I finished the video here.
Oh, is it right? I thought it's off.
No. Okay guys, I finished my food. It's really good. I like it. Thank you so much.
7 out of 10.
Yeah, it's good. 7 is good, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, thank you so much for food. Thank you. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. Okay guys, see you. Take care. Goodbye.
How do you earn from YouTube? So if I watch your video, you'll earn? Simple as that?
Yeah.